Namaste. India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing. We shall discuss the monsoon activity during past 24 hours and weather warning for next 24 hours. As we can see in the left hand side India map that widespread to fairly widespread rain has occurred over entire peninsular India. Widespread rain has occurred over Haryana, Chandigarh and Delhi. Fairly widespread rain over East Rajasthan and widespread to fairly widespread rain over Northeast India, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha and Chhattisgarh. So monsoon remained vigorous over Rayalaseema and South Interior Karnataka and active over Haryana, Konkan, Coastal Karnataka, Kerala, Telangana and Marathwada. The extremely heavy rainfall has been experienced over Sindhudurg and Chegunta stations of Telangana. Delhi Ridge station of Delhi has experienced 11 centimeter heavy rainfall and Pitampura has experienced 9 centimeter heavy rainfall. Next, if we come over to the systems today, synoptic systems, then the low pressure area which yesterday there was over Kutch region has become less marked today, and the monsoon trough is now extending from the Saurashtra region to East Central Bay of Bengal across northern parts of Maharashtra, Vidarbha and South Chhattisgarh. Also, there is a east-west shear zone which is which is being seen in mid levels, roughly along 19° north latitude. So, accordingly, if we see the heavy to very heavy and extremely heavy rainfall area for next 24 hours is Konkan and Goa, and heavy to very heavy rainfall area is Madhya Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana and coastal Karnataka. Extremely heavy rainfall that is greater than or equal to 20 centimeter rainfall is likely over uh, Konkan and Goa. And Mumbai is likely to receive heavy rainfall that is from 7 to 11 centimeter rainfall. As per the strong wind presence over Arabian Sea, the Maharashtra, Gujarat and Kerala Karnataka coast and adjoining Arabian Sea area and Lakshadweep area are likely to experience 40 to 50 km per hour winds gusting to 60 km per hour. And for lightning, Northeast India and North India, especially East UP, Bihar and Jharkhand and GWB will be their vulnerable area with regard to lightning. And as we have seen there that this monsoon trough is passing through the northern peninsular India roughly along 20° north. So now since this low pressure area has become less marked, now this monsoon trough would be shifting towards its normal position, and also the shear zone roughly along 20° north is very likely to become less marked by day after tomorrow, that is by 17th. And once these two conditions fulfill, from 17th night the rainfall activity is very likely to increase over plains of northwest India. And for that we have given heavy rainfall warning over West UP, East Rajasthan, Uttarakhand and HP on 17th, and then the warning has been upgraded from yellow color to orange color for Haryana, West UP, Northeast Rajasthan, Uttarakhand and HP. So on 18th, heavy to very heavy rainfall is likely over HP, Uttarakhand, Haryana, West UP and East Rajasthan. And again on 19th, heavy rainfall is likely over these areas. That is Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh and Delhi and West UP, Uttarakhand and HP. And similarly, also at the same time, this East UP, Bihar and Sub-Himalayan West Bengal would be experiencing isolated heavy falls. And our Northeast India will continue to experience widespread rainfall with isolated heavy fall during next 5 days. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we will again meet with our daily briefing for with weather warning for next 24 hours. Thank you.